Okay, today I'm doing a quick screencast just showing you how to find your research plan template, how to fill it out, and how to upload that back onto the intranet. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to the NMIT intranet homepage. So if you go into Internet Explorer, hopefully we can all navigate to this page. Up the top here, there's all these tabs. Along to the right is the research tab. So if you click on that, you'll be taken to the research intranet homepage. And just incidentally, this is where you can find all resources to do with research at NMIT, so it's quite a handy one to know. Now, the one that we're specifically looking at today is the research plan 2015 to 17. So if you click on this link here, it'll take you to this page. Now here we have the template, so you can see the research plan template, so we'll click on this shortly. There's also an example, so you can go and download this, have a look at how it's been filled out. It's just an example, but it shows you the level of detail that's needed for this research plan. Below this is the place that you actually go and upload your research plan, and you can see that this has been segregated into the actual bachelor programs, as you can see. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through and click on the research plan template, and what this should do is it should bring it up in Word. Now this box will pop up. It doesn't matter whether you open in read only or edit at the moment, so just leave it as it is and click OK. And this should open up the Word program. Now what I need to do is I need to immediately save this, and I'll show you the reason why. So if we go to Save As, what it's trying to do is it's trying to save back onto the SharePoint site. Now it won't actually let you do that because it will overwrite the template. So what you need to do is you need to save it to your computer. So if you click on Computer, and then you can save it wherever you want. So I'm going to save it here, and I'm going to say Research Plan, and I'm just going to put Matt. And we'll save that to my desktop, but you can save it anywhere you like as long as you can navigate back to it. The other thing that we want to do is change from a Word template to a Word document. So if you do that and then click Save. Now we can go then and enter any information we want. So this is when you'd actually go through and you can spend as long as you want filling out this research plan. I'm only going to put in Matt PC, but I'm assuming at the time that you'll go and fill it out correctly. And then we can go and just hit save. So again, that's going to save it back onto your computer. In my case, it's going to save it to the desktop. What we need to do now is we need to go back to the intranet because we're going to try and upload this plan. So if you have a look here when upload your research plan section, down the very bottom is this add document link. So if you click on this, and it will take you to this screen. Now we want to browse for the file. So click on browse, and my plan was called research plan Matt. So I'll go and open that. And if I click OK, and then it just asks you for a few other details. So you've got to put in your name, the program that you work for. So this is split up into the bachelor's and diplomas. If you're not like me, then just click other. You can leave the year as it is and leave approved by manager as it is, because they'll need to come in at some stage and have a look over your plan and approve it with you. So now if we click check in, what that should do is it should save it into the intranet site, and you can navigate back to that by navigating back to the program. So in my case it was other. And if you have a look here, I've been playing around, but this is the one that we uploaded just then. So it was Research Plan Matt. So if I click on this, it will actually take me back to that research plan. So say I need to edit my research plan or make changes, or I've made a mistake, then you can easily do that. It is a living document. You can change it as you need. So if you click on the link here, here you do want to make sure that you click edit. If it's read only, it will cause problems. So you need to click edit to make sure that you can. Click OK, and up it will pop. Now, I'm just going to put in here just as an example, so I'm going to change my program to other, and we can just hit save. Now what this will do is it will actually save it back to the intranet site, which is in this case good, and I'll show you why. So we'll just get rid of these. Now if we navigate back to the same plan, just as we did before, you can see that by saving, just as we did, it actually goes and saves all the changes. You don't need to then upload it again. It will save it automatically back to the file that you've already got on the internet. So that's how you go and complete your research plan, how you go and find the template, complete it, and upload it. If you've got any problems, don't hesitate to call Matt or get in contact. Yeah, appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.